All right, guys, so I'm going to get my settings for you, get things started here with our second outing in Indianapolis. And we have our camera set at 1/500th of a second at f7.1. We're at auto ISO, and that auto ISO is jacked up to 3200, but I'm seeing that most of the photos are about 300 to 400 ISO, something like that. But I'll let the camera make that determination. I'm on highlight weighted. What that does, it keeps everything from being blown out. You pretty much need to use Lightroom or something to bring everything up when you do that. But if you're using Lightroom and you're not going straight to JPEG, things like that, then it's not too difficult to do that. And so, okay, also, I'm at, what else am I at? I'm on snap focus only. No autofocus, I'm at snap focus only. When I do street photography, I only do snap focus. And I'm at 1.5 meters. And what that does is give me, again, I'm just guessing, 3 feet, which is a meter, to about 10 feet. Anything more than that, I really don't want it anyway, because that's going to, I mean, the subject's going to be so small with this 28mm lens, or actually it's an 18mm lens, 35mm equivalent. I want to be able to shoot them as I walk past them. So, you know, again, as I've got my head down looking at this thing, not paying attention to them, obviously my peripheral vision, I know where they're at, and that's where you just want to, you know, bang your shot. And see, there's people that, you know, they know what's going on. I don't really care. Man, there's a lot of people out now. This is great. Check this out. Oh, the little blast of warm air, or maybe that's the sewer. Great, I don't know, but either way, it was nice. So we're just being blatant about it, and so, you know, this GoPro here that I'm talking to you on, I don't even know if this thing will, I mean, I'm assuming it'll come out okay. It could be blurry, I could have it too close to me. Not really sure. Oh, we got some dudes doing some stuff here. That's really cool. The guy's doing a mural.
Up like that.
Is that your artwork, or are you guys just hanging it?
No, it's not ours.
Not yours? Yeah. Mind if I get a shot?
Yeah, sure.
Right on. Here we go, these guys here. Excellent, excellent. Let me get back here. I want to get you guys in the shot. That's I do people photography, so.
Really?
Right on. Thanks, guys. That's really cool. So they used to have plywood all up on these windows, and now they've obviously taken down the plywood, and they're putting up artwork, which is pretty cool. And, okay, so here comes the dude with a guitar, so I'm just going to ask him if I can take his shot. Man, can I take a picture? You look cool with that guitar, man. So I'm going to get this guy here. Okay, there we go. So it's really, I don't know, I think I picked a pretty weak day. Well, folks are starting to pop out of the places here a little bit, so maybe we can get some shots. And so they want everybody to go down this way, so we'll have to go down this way, doing some sidewalk art, or I'm not sure what they call this, but it says, "I'm happy to see you." I don't know, again, we're a week out of the well, there were people down that way. We're a week out of the NCAA tournament. So how many of you use a lens hood, by the way? How many of you went out and purchased a lens hood from watching this channel? These things are incredibly great to be able to hold the camera, and again, be able to maneuver your shots and that sort of thing. And you know, if you're worried about what people think looking at you, then it's not going to work. But you know, if you're just out shooting and you really don't care. Yeah. And again, by talking to this GoPro, like I'm doing nonstop rambling, I don't know if this gibberish is entertaining to you guys or not, but, well, not entertaining, that's really not the word. Hopefully it's informative. Hopefully you're getting some information out of this. I'm trying to recall everything I should be saying, all the stuff that goes along with my videos. Let's see, we've covered our settings, covered our GA1 coupler, and so that's that. What do you feel about this type of shooting? Can you do this type of thing? Walk around, just start snapping shots of folks? Or do you need to sit in one spot? Which, you know, sitting in one spot's nice because you can get some really cool, you can get some cool shadows, things like that. But I tend to look at it as a So I tend to look at it as exercise. It's a way to get out and do some things. Just I don't know. It's just as opposed to just sitting still and as opposed to just sitting still and in one spot the whole time. There we go. There we go. Come on, see if I can cut this one off at the pass. See if you've got more people out this way. So, okay, so we're on the circle, and I think we're going along okay. We're getting some shots here. Got a guy here. Let's see if we can, I don't know what the hell he's doing, but I'll take his picture. So I'm just going to act like I'm lost here, and then the turn, pivot. So I'm not sure where we're at here, actually. Well, that was, of course I'm sure where we're at, but he was looking right at me, so I had that dumbfounded look on my face that I do so well. Okay, keep an eye out for people. Okay, here comes the people right now. And again, when you start talking about what you're doing here, it's just a way to, hey, you got the guy cleaning out the pooper. Oh, the sun's out now. Oh man, that's a nice glass of warm air. So the sun has finally come out. Oh, we got this guy taking a shot. Let's see if I can get this guy. Oops, there we go. Okay, so next time I need to come down a little later. I thought people got off for lunch there's some people on bikes and stuff. I thought people got off for lunch at like 10:30 and 11 because they have to get up so early, but apparently not, because they're all coming out here. Okay, so here comes some people. It's just like shooting some you know, there we go, right here, like this, boom and boom. There we go. I don't know what I got out of those, but okay. So okay, here comes one. So the not a lot of people out on the lunch hour. Dang it, missed that one. Stepped up, but I'm hoping. Let me know, what do you think of the second view here, the second camera? I'm thinking it's pretty cool, but I don't know. Here we go. Oh, sunlight. A blast of sunlight there. Well, as you look down the street, you see people, but by the time you get down there to where they're at, they've gone away, or they all want to go to the left here. I don't know why that is, because that's, of course, where I need to be. So it's like I got a sign around my head that says COVID, avoid. Okay, sorry, like these people come down this way. So, oh, there we go. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, so now we got some opportunities here, so we'll see how these come out. And now we got some sunlight, so that's good. We got a couple dudes in suits. I'm gonna get them right as they pop around the span here. Whoops. Awesome, I was able to grab that spot and get them as they popped out. Comes a jogger. Let's see, I bet she goes way around me. How much you want to bet? Yep, okay. Try to get that one. Got these folks coming here. Whoops. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I think overall it's been somewhat successful. And again, you really just have to throw all your humility out the window. And I mean, come on, look at me. Look at me. I mean, I know you don't want to be me, but you know, it is fun. And again, you know, not one person here has said anything about me taking their photo. Okay, so I've said it a million times last year, but this year I'm definitely getting to some other cities. I've already even rented vans to do so, and I'm going to be spending the night in the vans, like, you know, in Walmarts and stuff like that. So it's really pretty cool. So I've got all kinds of neat projects coming up this year. And I know I said that last year, but of course COVID, you know, what are you going to do? Whatever. I mean, nobody knew what was going on. I didn't know what was going on. I know what's going on this year. I can plan things out a little better. So I've already rented some vans, scheduled some trips, going to Cleveland, Nashville, Chicago, Cincinnati, I'm sure. If you're in any of those towns, by all means, hit me up, let me know, and let me know where we can go. But again, I really like this other GoPro, even though my finger's freezing. My fingers, as in plural, all of them are freezing. It's not quite 60 degrees. There's a little breeze, though, as you can see by my hair ruffling in the wind. So it's pretty chilly. So, but I got out and I broke the egg, you know, broke the egg. I broke the ice, whatever the hell I broke. I got out here. I got you a video. I feel guilty. I felt guilty for the last 3 or 4 weeks not getting out and getting any. So I really, literally had to set my alarm in order to get out here today and do this. So I was very happy with it. Happy that I could do it. And now that I kind of got back out here and got my feet wet again, now I'm back to it now. I'm going to be getting out here quite a bit. And the idea is to get you know, as many photo walks in as we can. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you'll continue to watch. Here we go. I told you I was going to get him. Told you I was going to get him. I'm going to get him. Oh, but he was that wasn't the same dude. And this was a bad place. Hell yes. So I picked a very bad area here to try to shoot in. And I don't know if that'll come out or not, because my highlight weighted, it probably won't. So let's see, which side are we going on? We'll go, I'm sorry, we'll go over to this side over here. And dude here. Okay, so obviously, like I said, I don't like to shoot out into the street, but I'm going to have to on this one just because the way the side of the street that I'm on. Okay, so, okay, I think I'm going to go this way.
Okay, go down to Delaware and then take a left.
Left on Delaware. Okay, oh, there's another guy there. So so I think I'm about, yeah, the camera, the battery has died. Let's see if I can see how many shots I've got here that I took. And I took, where's it at? 239 photos. So I took 239 photos. It's only been about, I don't know, an hour. Actually, it says 45 minutes. So that was pretty cool. Very happy with that. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for our photo shoot today. Certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking it out. Make sure and tell a friend about it. Pass it on. Got a lot of great stuff coming up. This is just the first couple videos of the year. But every week I'll be out making more videos, and not just with the Ricoh GR III, but also with my Canon EOS RP and anything else that I can come up with to take photos. So all kinds of good stuff coming. Hopefully you guys will stay with me again this year, and we're trying to, like I said, step up the game a little bit. Let me know what you think about this double video thing going on, and see if you like it, or if you like the way it was last year better. Certainly was easier last year, but I just felt like I wasn't able to communicate. So this way we can communicate. So I like this. So we'll see how this works out, and you guys let me know in the comments below what you think. And let's see, what else is there? I don't know. Like I said, it's the first couple times I've been out, so still kind of not really sure what. I guess I'll get home and hope that everything turned out, and that I had batteries in the cameras, and that I had SD cards in, and you know, I try to take all the precautions and all that stuff, but you just never know. So that's going to do it for this one, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.